Hey everyone, it's Chris with Crafted Innovations. Today we're going to do a quick install video for our Crafted Innovations Yamaha driver seat recline kit. This kit fits the Yamaha Wolverine X2, X4s and the Yamaha Rmax. Seems like you guys love them. They give a little bit more relaxed seating position. Quick information about the kit. They come made with 1-inch UHMW. They have new yellow zinc coated hardware. Well, let's go ahead and get them mounted on the machine and we'll show you guys the difference in the relaxed seating position. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and get these spacers installed. So first things first, we're just going to go ahead and remove the seat bottom. Just grab the front here, pop it up, set it out of the way. Next thing we want to do is slide this seat forward so that we have clearance to recline it back and we can get to all 4 of our bolts easy. So we're just going to slide it on up. Alright, so we'll go ahead, 12mm socket, remove all 4 of your bolts to mount down to the seat frame here. Alright, your front 2 bolts, you won't need those any longer. We're going to use the new bolts that come with the kit, so we'll set those aside. Grab these 2 rear bolts. They're short, they still work. We're going to reuse those with the kit. Alright, so on the spacers you get now, they're going to be stamped. These are early set of spacers I made, so they are not stamped, but they're pretty much the same thing. You're going to notice that they have the relief for the rivets on the underside of the seat frame. So we'll go ahead and get those in. So the ones that are marked with an R are going to go towards the right side of the machine, the passenger side. The ones that are marked with an L will be to the driver's side, left side of the machine. So we'll go ahead and get those slid under here. You can take the whole seat out. I find it's just easy to just pop the front end up and slide them right under. Alright, get those lined up, get our new hardware in, finger tight, just start it on in the threads. Rear bolts are still lined up, go ahead and get those started also. Alright, and same 12mm socket on this hardware, just tighten them back down. Alright, once that's done, you'll notice the seat back is much closer to the rear bar back here. You can slide it back, see how far you want it. Go ahead and get the seat bottom back in place, pop it back in. Alright guys, now that we got these installed, I'll tell you a little bit about the difference in the seating position and the benefits that I found out of them. So just to start off with, you do have to move the seat base forward a couple of inches just to have that extra room to recline the seat. To me, that was a beneficial trade-off because I don't feel any closer to the steering wheel. My shoulder blades are still in the same position. That seat back's all the way against the rear crossbar, and I still have the same distance to the steering wheel as I did prior. Now, the distance from the lower back to the dashboard is decreased a little bit. So if you're really tall, have long legs, you might notice a little bit there, but it's not a deal breaker. To me, I really enjoyed the extra support that it gave under my knees, and just that little bit and the seat back recline made it for a much more relaxed riding position for those long days. Also, on the downhill situations, it helps hold you in the seat better. You don't feel like you're sliding off the front edge of the seat, and I'm not slouching as much from that upright seating position. I really got into making these because a lot of people noticed the same shortcomings in that upright position that I did and wanted to help the guys out. So really, hope you guys enjoy.